What's up, everyone? Welcome to a new video. Here are the little ones, Janaya and Drayton.
And that is my favorite.
It is such a beautiful day today. We are here on site picking up our new project car. Not sure if you had already guessed what it is, but if you want to find out, just keep on watching. What's up?
We are on the way to get our newest addition to our collection. Can you guess what it is?
There's a hint.
Yep. Figure out what it is. If you didn't know, there's another hint. Look at everything. And my dirty ass hands from working my ass off. Here?
I'm not shy, I just don't like you.
DrunkleTuned.
Your wrench with a 12 and then a smallest extension.
Yeah, like a 3-inch extension or something like that.
And then a 12 deep or what?
Deep. And a Corona.
12 deep and a Corona.
Okay, so the kids and I are hanging out in the car. We are hiding away from the mosquitoes because where we are, there's a lot of it. But they had their snacks. Jose and the boys are actually installing the exhaust to the new car, so they're working on that right now. We just got back from the store. We had to get some materials for that. So once that gets installed, we can drive it out of here.
Pull it off then. Fuck it. Cut it. You need to cut it.
This one.
Cut it.
Go inside, backer.
Are you excited for a new car? Yeah? Are you gonna drive it when you get old enough? Maybe. What about you, Grouch?
We're about to take the car home, and I just want to make something very clear. The page is called DrunkleTuned. I do not promote drinking and driving. I always have a designated driver. There's my designated driver over there, stuffing his face. Thank you for watching our channel, and we'll be back for more exciting news about the new project.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, activate that bell to receive notifications whenever we post new videos, and as always, we thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.